guys, it's Monkey Little, aka Kirsten. So today we're going to make a volcano. I made a volcano before. It did not turn out very well, and my mom's like, "That's so good." I'm like, "No, it's not. It sucks." So she wanted me to make another video for y'all of a volcano, and this is my new one that I'm going to make today. So what you're going to do is make a platform. It doesn't matter, but it kind of has to be indented, and you kind of want it to be on the ground. And so you take it and kind of roll it up. So what you're going to do now is put like something in the middle for it to hold up.
Make it a volcano?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And you are just going to start to kind of you're just going to stick the clay into the water, and you're just going to start to roll.
Me too. Me too, Susie.
But this is only for big kids. I'm sorry.
Oh. No, I don't want it.
Okay, so now that we got that, you're going to get another piece of clay, kind of flatten it, and just start to build the volcano structure. And you're going to get much more clay.
Much big.
And you're going to put water on it, because mine's really thick. And all you're going to do is start to like build it into a ball.
The ball?
Yeah. And then it's in a ball, and now you're just going to take one of your larger brushes and stick a hole in it. Kind of open it up so this can go in.
I did it and make a volcano.
I'm not done yet.
Okay.
And then you just stick it right in.
Make a shower.
And you just I would put some water around it so it's kind of stay. And all you're gonna do is start to like pull this out, take off the top, and start to form it, and then you're gonna stick it back in. So I made the hole, and you're going to form the volcano now. It's a really small volcano, and I'm gonna start making charms and selling them. And giving them to my aunt or my grandma on eBay. See if she can sell some. Okay, so now what you're going to do is make the sides smooth. Yep, this is a volcano, Nolan. It's kind of like, what is it called? A square pyramid. Hold on, move that all the way, Nolan.
I need water.
No, Bubba, Sissy's drinking deep Dr. Pepper. Thumbs up for DP, Dr. Pepper. My 6th grade teacher calls it Dr. Pooper because she hates it. I'm like, what the? Okay, so now that we made the figure, make it smooth because we're going to texture it. And you're just going to bring it up to the top.
Careful.
With some water on your hands. And it kind of helps it to smooth. Okay, so now that we did that, we're going to start a hole right at the tippy top. So, take my smallest brush, form a hole.
Make a volcano.
Yep, I am making a volcano.
I did it, Susie.
Yep. Okay, so this is the structure of the volcano. I'm not done because I have to texture, but take my big brushes and I'm texturing it, and it looks really cool right now.
Make it.
At the top, you have to be really careful when you're texturing it because you don't want to close up.
I got water in it.
You kind of want to pull the hole out a little, like a real volcano.
Real big volcano. Where the volcano go? This one called hole. This one
It's kind of hard to tell, but oh yeah, you can see it's textured and then
Thank
the
you.
hole.
Thank you, Shishi. Thank you.
I don't feel good. Okay, so
Thank
now
you.
what you're gonna do is kind of make it a little bit more ovally.
Volcano, this
Top,
one,
take your
that
finger
one.
and just kind of pull this up down. And then we're gonna make little things where the volcano is going. So
With the heart.
like the volcano's dripping, like exploding.
Well,
This I think will be one of my favorite charms that I ever did, because this is my first charm.
that's my joke.
I'll get better as the days get longer. Well, it takes about, for this clay, 2 days to dry to be rock hard. Okay, so
Did it?
it's really hard to see, but I can see. As you can see, I made a little thing, so it looks like it
I
will
want to
erupt.
put my plate. My plate.
And so, there's my volcano. I hope y'all guys like it, and I'll show y'all guys whenever it's dry. It takes a long time for it to dry, but when it's done, it will be really cool, and I'll paint it for y'all. So please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Volcano, bye. Bye.